So Anna called me halfway through. Not even halfway through. As soon as I started recording and picking up my stuff, Anna called me, and then we're just chatting for like the whole way. So Zoe, I'll try to get like a full shopping video at another time. I'm gonna go home now and cook dinner. This hairstyle is all good and well until you realize you live in Jamaica and you're sweating your tits off. So annoying. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna go out that way. I'm such a Jamaican, putting my hand up there to reverse. Alright, let's go. Hastings Fam, dinner is served. I did the fish. This is babes, some boiled eggs, some potato, veggies, and the fish. Mira is having a bit of the fish, corn, apples, and boiled potatoes.
Fuck.
And this is mine. Boiled eggs, veggies, fish, and corn. Let's grab. Just finished working out. Sue killed me today. Killed me. Finish. I can't even walk. Yesterday we did legs, and every time she gives me something, she goes, easy. Simple something. Simple something. Light work. I'm like, light work? Light work. I'm over here dying, people. Light work, Mitty, light work. Come. Go night.
I took it really easy. Nobody make it so. Me take it easy.
She was, because I got breaks when I shouldn't have gotten breaks.
Right?
So.
And the type of ways that if she's a beginner, so I gave her pretty beginner friendly stuff. Maybe in terms of weight.
Shami, back me up here.
Where is she? She's not nowhere here.
Just better. Highly recommend this. So, berries, apple. What else? Spinach and cucumbers. Yeah. Alright, later. Leaving all my stuff. Shout out to Kel's Cosmetics. We are home. Amira is actually having a nap. I am getting my lunch as well as I've started dinner. So as I said, I'm making soup today. Sweet potato with tuna, onions, and egg. And then I have my salad. So I have this and this. I'm gonna plate it. I put my beef in here to go on brown off and so. Then I'm gonna pressure it with the peas. I marinated this for about 4 days. 4 days. So that's what's happening with the beef. The pig's tail, which I'm gonna boil about 3 times so that the saltness can get out of it, most of it anyway. Soup ready. Soup ready. I'm gonna pull out all this scallion. Good morning, Hastings Fam. I am so tired. I am so tired. Tired is an understatement, okay? I have to go in to location today, and I feel like the first week of getting back into working out and a groove of things is probably the worst week, and like I can't even move. Like stiff, sore. Like when I'm turning in my bed at night, I'm just like, oh god. So yesterday I refreshed my curls and we went for an evening walk. That's what happened for the rest of yesterday. Came back home, had soup, did some more books, went to bed. Today I'm going into location. I have some evaluations to do. Some new staff that I recruited. So I have evaluations to do. I'm also gonna do some other designing bits and brainstorming bits for Island Coffees. If you don't already know, my family business, Island Coffees Cafe, we have 3 locations: Devon House, Island Village in Ocho Rios, and Victoria Pier downtown. We specialize in 100% dark roast Blue Mountain coffee. We also sell wraps, sandwiches, burgers, salads, milkshakes, slushies, smoothies, etc. So as you guys saw, I went there yesterday and grabbed a green juice, well, berry green juice, I guess, after workout. So yeah, that's what's happening. I refreshed my curls last night, so it's a bit flat again. So now I'm just gonna give it some volume. Say hey, Hastings Fam.
Hey, Hastings Fam.
How are you?
Hi.
Say happy day.
Happy day. Oh, thank you, Mia. You're welcome.
I came in here and I didn't even get a chance to like do anything with you guys or show you guys anything because I rushed came in. As I mentioned, I'm doing evaluations and stuff. So at the moment I'm having my latte, and then I'm gonna make some changes to our menu. Everything is going up. Everything is going up. Yesterday there was an announcement. Oh guys, I pop off everything except these. Yesterday there was an announcement by the Prime Minister. The curfew went up by an hour, and Sundays are still 2 p.m. Church is allowed 50 people. Weddings are allowed 50 people. What else? Beaches are open, but groups of 10 only, or something like that. Beyond me while we're still on curfew. Beyond me. It's crippling. We're trying to hold it, we're trying to get through. So, and on top of that, everything is going up here. Food, like everything is going up. So you guys just missed mommy. I went through the menu with mommy and she was here for a bit, but she's gone to Yang Yang. So she's gone to the Ochi location. No, I actually just met a subscriber. Shout out to you. And yeah, so that's what's happening. I feel all over the place, but yeah, this is my 3rd cup of coffee. I'm a bit more awake now. Imagine, one of my jobs is I sell coffee, so go figure, I drink a lot of coffee. Anyway, so let's get to work. What's my one nail? Don't watch it. My one nail on my. Okay. I just got my done. You're not forgotten, so you never did a forgotten, so go subscribe to We're the couple next door. Surprise! Anna is now on YouTube. I never thought this day would come. Never. I've been vlogging for most of her life, and she never had any interest in YouTube up until the camera. Up until a week ago. So I'm thinking of starting a channel. Like starting a channel? What? Oh, hi.
Well,
Hi.
outside.
Outside. So on their channel you can expect to get like, I guess it's day in the life videos, right, of like them running their business, working out, being the couple next door.
Planned, so you probably can.
And the best part is they live in country, and country life is like the best life. So you know, so I say,
country,
but it's country though, and you got enough nature, like
you all, a lot of roosters.
like the roost, like it's a real deal. It's not a joke country. It's like real rooster in the morning, like
I post
everything.
on Instagram every day, and today one of my friends was just like, I love the rooster in the background.
Me,
just
I was gonna message her and be like, oh my god, I want a rooster. You know, like in town we want to get the rooster on the phone. Anywho, so go subscribe to Anna and her hobby. So the couple next door, and I'm holding you accountable. What days you're gonna upload? How often are you gonna? Once a week.
I'm gonna try once a week, but I'm not sure what day.
Okay.
It depends on, you know, how the week goes.
Okay, so we can expect weekly vlogs.
Yeah.
Let's hold her to it. So anybody don't see a week from now, if you don't see a vlog, comment down below and tell me to go snatch her. Okay, all right, say bye. Bye. Guys, I'm gonna load her up. She's calling me to help her make a milkshake.
No,
this not cute.
This is not my brand. I don't wear no
This,
I don't think my friend ice.
this not cute. No, because I always there to watch your location. Shameful. Shameful and disgraceful. And you call yourself a family business owner. How dare you? Morning, y'all. Alright, we're on day 3.
Yes. 3, 4, 15 minutes. 5, 6, 7.
Alright guys, nuts for the run. Sending off books to Mobay, Sav, Ocho Rios, and I think Mandeville. I'm going home to film for the Mitty Search channel. I'm actually gonna film Assumptions About You, and I have to film that, edit that, everything to be up and live for tomorrow, Friday. So remember, on Mitty Search channel we upload on a Friday at 10 AM. Hastings Family, you already know Hastings Sunday, that happens on a Sunday at 10 AM. So that's what I'm gonna do. Subscribe to both our channels. Go show me some love over on Mitty Search. Remember to subscribe and watch videos over there. Beauty content mainly on that channel. As I said, I'm doing Assumptions About Me. I put a poll on my Instagram. It was quite hilarious actually. Amira turns 3 this month. I can't believe it. I don't think I'm gonna do an Amazon, but what I will do though is, if you'd like to send Amira a gift, you can DM me on Instagram and we can work it out there through like Amazon gift cards and things like that. Because honestly guys, it's just too much customs and it's just too stressful. When you live in America and the UK, like when you buy on Amazon, it comes to you. Like when you live in Jamaica, for those who don't know, you have to have an address, a shipping address in Miami. So you have to have a shipping address in America, and then when you buy from Amazon, it goes to that shipping address. Then it comes to Jamaica. You have to pay for the shipping company that you're with in Jamaica, plus you pay custom fees on top of that. So but as I said, link me up. We could do Amazon gift cards with some things like that, and then that way when I shop I can group them and it's better. Whereas if I do the birthday list and they're bought separately, you have to pay per package. Follow me? Babe has gone to ship packages. Remember, Artful Creations JA, I make learning books for babies and toddlers, interactive learning books. Came up with the whole idea from being inspired by Amira when I was homeschooling her when she was younger. I started with my volume one with her before she even turned age one, yeah, and she has mastered both volumes and she's not even 3 yet. So the whole concept, I did a whole bunch of research into child development, psychology. I just read for months on end and designed the activities and stuff to grasp, keep their attention, make them, you know, excited and have fun while learning. So my books go from volume 1 up to age 3, volume 2 3 to 6, but obviously those vary. Some kids are advanced, some kids don't learn as quickly as other kids, which is absolutely fine. Don't focus on how fast your kid learns, just focus on the fact that they are learning. That's brilliant. Too much pressure on moms sometimes, you know what I mean? Like, just go with the flow of your child. If they learn super quick, amazing. If they take a little bit longer, that's okay. We're now here. This is where they have crab and it's like super famous. Crab is a huge tradition and everything, but the gag is I've never had crab before ever, so let's go. Hello.
Yes, dear. $500. These size are 500.
For 500?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bigger size, 8 and 9.
Okay, so babe, you come through. I never eat crab before, so.
You want to taste a foot?
Oh, you taste it first?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, oh, this right now.
Let's bite it and
Eat time. Mommy.
I'm here, look.
It's a crab leg.
Wait, Papa.
Mommy,
Is this different?
Yes, and your Daddy. It's Daddy.
Okay.
It's Daddy. It's Daddy, Mommy. It's Daddy, Mommy. It's Daddy. It's Daddy. It's Daddy.
It's scary?
Yeah. It's Daddy.
You want to go to? Go to?
So where the rest of? Oh, yeah, for crackers?
Yeah,
okay, so let's get 2 5-1s, right? Are you?
I'm going to show you.
I want corn.
Right.
1 by 1. Yeah. Roast. And apparently I have to eat it with coconut, no sir? Okay.
So you want 1 corn?
Give me 1 boil and 1 roast.
my dear.
Thank you.
Did you want breakfast?
Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now is drive to the beach, a destination to eat the crab.
Yeah.
The lady was kind of teaching me how to, babe know to eat crab still, so he can help me, but that was hilarious.
Long time I eat crab.
Joe? That was so funny. Say I eat it good, man.
Yeah.
Hi Hastings fam, so we are at the end of another vlog. So last night after the crab and stuff, we went for an evening stroll as you saw, and then when I got home I had editing to do and everything, so we just knocked out and went to bed. But guys, you wouldn't believe what happened. So when I was supposed to be holding the crab, but some of the what's that called, crab juice leaked out. Oh my god, babe was like, babes, supposed to smell it out of the car. So anyway, he had a massive clean this morning. So unfortunately it's that time. It's that time to say goodbye. Hope you enjoyed this vlog, Hastings fam. Happy Hastings Sunday. Thought of the week is, don't let negative thoughts or doubts stop you from achieving what you need to achieve. So if you set out to achieve something, there's gonna be times when you're gonna feel like, oh, you can't be bothered, oh, every time I try to progress something keeps happening, and you just feel like you want to stop. No, that is the devil telling you that, hey, I want you to give up before you're successful. So just keep going, keep pushing through. And remember that you got this, God got this, and it's inevitable that you're successful once you're persistent, once you're disciplined, and once you're pushing through. So on that note, let's do a quick notification shout out. So first post notification shout out goes to Alicia Martin. I'm ready for 100. Love the Hastings fam. Thank you so much. Notification king. Hey, next one goes to Love Gabby. Yes, Mitty, keep the video coming. Amira is so cute, and I love when you guys have the same hairstyle. It's so cute. Notification always on. Gang. Shout out to you, Gabby. Next one is Nadia's World. I can't get over how much Amira has grown. Such a pretty little doll. It's so true. It feels like yesterday she was born, and now she's like... Hi, Hastings fam. Now she's almost 3, and the next one goes to Lanny Lord. And yeah. Hello. Lanny says another baby would be wonderful. Mitzi's a wonderful mama, and the values she instills in her baby girl is admirable. A little boy added to the fam would be wonderful. Love you guys. God bless you all. Thank you so much, guys. I mean, obviously we want more kids. I don't know, we're not planning for that right now. So, but you know, eventually, of course, the Hastings fam has to expand, like, of course. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in this week. We hope you have an amazing week. What did you cook? What you cook? What was for dinner? What was on the menu? Let me see if anybody added what they cooked last week. Let me have a look. Oh, Kamoy says I'm eating macaroni pie, stewed chicken, and chunky vegetables. Jamie Housen says dinner today is stewed chicken, rice and peas, pasta, veg, and carrot juice. That is so traditional. Go girl. All right guys, so thank you so much. Comment down below, what did you cook? Let me see. I think I'm probably, guys, my Sunday dinner is pretty simple. It's veg and a protein, like that's it. Nothing exciting over here with a glass of water, but I get so much satisfaction eating through your comments. So comment down below what you had for dinner, what you cooked, what was cooked and given to you. And remember, have a great and productive week. We love you guys. See you next Sunday.